Hello, welcome to this week's grocery haul video. I have so much fun sharing with you every single week all of the groceries that I get and the meal plan for our family. If you're new to my channel, my name's Molly. Thanks so much for being here. I do a budget grocery pickup once a week. I try and keep it under $200, and this is everything to feed my family, me and my husband and my two boys. They are 6 and 7 years old. So I will share with you what we're having for dinner this week and everything else we're having for breakfast, lunch, and snacks. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and let me show you everything we got. So here are all of the groceries. I was under budget this week. I like to keep it under $200, and I was quite a bit under budget at $162.17 for everything that we need for the week. All of our dinners, all of our breakfasts, our lunches as well. So I will start over here and show you what we've got. I got some corn. I love that corn is just delicious right now. It is in season and so corn on the cob. This is a big box of eggs. There's 60 eggs in here, and it is just a better value for me to get this big box, and it will last us 2 weeks. So that's great. And I just love the value, love saving money. So 60 eggs here. Bunch of bananas. We love bananas. My kids, they go through a ton of bananas. I have an onion here, our avocados for the week, a green bell pepper. I'm going to be doing a couple crock pot videos this week, so make sure you check back for that video. I love crock pot recipes, so I'm going to be pulling out the crock pot this week and using it a lot. I have broccoli. We eat a ton of broccoli. Strawberries. These strawberries look really good. Last week they were not that great, but the week before they were really good, so they're a little bit hit and miss right now, I think. Some apples. I get the Pink Lady apples. They're our favorite. My favorite snack is cottage cheese, high in protein. I've really been trying to concentrate on increasing my protein lately, so I've got a few high protein things to help out with that. So love cottage cheese. A gallon of milk that we use for cereal and everything else. Chocolate milk sometimes. My kids are good. Almond milk for my husband. He goes through about 1.5 of these a week. So I usually get 1 week I get 2, and then the next week I get 1. So definitely needed 2 this week. Got the yogurt tubes that my kids love. I put these in the freezer, and then they freeze up and the kids have them for dessert. Garlic powder needed for the pantry. We needed black beans for the pantry, and then I also got some cream of chicken soup. That will go in one of the crock pot recipes. Also got some lentils. Love lentils. High in protein, high in fiber, and love them. They are just so great in a lot of different things. Blueberries. My kids love blueberries. Chicken apple sausage. I love this chicken apple sausage. This brand, they have a bunch of different flavors. This one is definitely my favorite, but all of their flavors are really good. But chicken apple is so good. I sometimes have it for breakfast with my eggs, but it is definitely really good just in a hot dog bun with some ketchup also. Love it. So this will be part of dinner one night. Edamame. My kids love edamame, so I've been getting a lot of this, like usually 1 a week. I got this Too Good yogurt. So there's 2 grams of sugar in 1 cup. High in protein, so it has 12 grams of protein, 80 calories, but we've really been trying to make sure that we're getting low in sugar type foods for our snacks. So we've had this one before. I usually get the Great Value brand just because it's so much cheaper, but thought we should definitely be making sure we're not having too much extra sugar. So 2 grams of sugar, and yogurt is very high in sugar. So definitely this one is really, really good. Let me see how much sugar is in these yogurt tubes. I know it's a lot. So let's see, 8 grams of sugar for the strawberry and 8 for the blueberry. So 8 grams, I guess it could be worse, but definitely we want to focus on hitting some lower sugar. Speaking of sugar, tons of sugar in this maple brown sugar oatmeal, but that's okay. I like to have it in the pantry just in case the kids want some oatmeal. Benjamin really likes this one. Zachary really likes regular old-fashioned oats, so have to stock up on that. Got a big bag of cheese. We go through a lot of cheese. My kids love quesadillas. We put cheese on our eggs and just all kinds of different things. So lots of cheese. These are mine and my husband's favorite tortillas. So it's a whole wheat carb balance. So there's 3 carbs per tortilla. This is the smaller size. They have a bigger burrito size that is 5 carbs per tortilla. So, but this one's just a little bit smaller. But always have to have these on hand. Sandwich thins, what my husband uses for his lunches, the sandwiches that he makes for lunch. So I wanted to try this. I have not tried it yet. I will have to let you know how it is. But trying to increase that protein. This is plant protein bread, sprouted wheat, pea protein, and chickpea flour. So there's 9 grams of protein, 19 grams whole grains, 5 grams of fiber for 2 slices. So I'm going to give this a shot, 180 calories for 2 slices. But I think that it'll be fun to have some sandwiches. I don't do a lot of sandwiches, but just hope it tastes good. It's much more expensive than this bread. This is the bread I get for Benjamin's peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. It's like a soft bread. It's almost kind of like a white bread. It's wheat, but it's like soft like a white bread. But this is what he likes for his peanut butter sandwiches. Our favorite maple sausage for breakfast. It's just super easy, frozen. You just put it in the microwave and it's delicious. Some mayonnaise and pickles. I have been doing a lot of tuna, and I like this little squeeze mayonnaise, so I don't have to stick a spoon or fork into like the mayonnaise jar. So I like to just squeeze and not have to touch it. And then pickles, I've been doing some pickles in the tuna as well. I like dice it up into small pieces. I got some spaghetti. My kids love spaghetti and meatballs, so I get this whole wheat one, and my kids love it. And then I got more protein. You guys are probably tired of seeing all my protein stuff. This protein penne, I got this a few weeks ago, and it's really good. The taste is super good. And it has 10 grams of protein per serving. So definitely like to increase that protein. And it's really, really good. Favorite snack that we have, pistachios, definitely our favorite snack. And I got 2 packs of chicken. I grill up a pack on the barbecue for salads and sandwiches. And then I'm going to be doing, like I said, some crock pot recipes. So I'll use that for this other one. And then I'll also probably freeze some as well. And we'll have that on hand for the following week or the week after. So these are all of the groceries. Let me share with you. I have written down our meals. So I'm going to do crock pot barbecue chicken and corn on the cob. So it's going to be a shredded chicken. We'll make pulled chicken sandwiches out of that. Gonna do tacos on Monday. We do tacos a lot because they're so easy. Tuesday, crock pot chicken and rice. Wednesday, we have our baseball team party, so we will not be cooking at home that night. Thursday, chicken apple sausage with edamame. Friday, I have some leftover tortellini from my Trader Joe's haul last week. If you missed that video, make sure you go check it out. I got so much awesome stuff from Trader Joe's. But I'm going to do the Trader Joe's tortellini with chicken and broccoli, and we have some Alfredo sauce already. Saturday, I'm going to do Philly cheesesteak skillet, so that will be delicious. So these are the groceries. That is the meal plan, under budget this week, which I love. So if you enjoyed this grocery haul and my meal plan, make sure you click subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. Hope you have a really great rest of your week, and I will see you again soon.